May Allah's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you, my beloved righteous Forerunner supporters. In a nutshell, fear Allah the One, the Overpowering, as you have reached the year of major incidents. There is not much time left except to intensively publish the series of statements about the Ba'uda, Arabic, Nat, of the blood and its well-concealed secret, whose war is detailed in different statements of the previously mentioned series. Moreover, hardly a statement is written without finding me mentioning for the worlds the approaching of planet Sakar and raising the intensity of the skirmish of Allah's cosmic and COVID-related war, that perhaps people would know that the one behind the global war of Corona is the same one behind the calamity of the climatic war by Allah, Lord of the worlds. And that perhaps they may know that they are powerless to encounter Allah's war and that they must turn to their Lord and humbly supplicate to Him to save them from His torment, to follow the caller to Allah and His book, the Great Quran.